Hi friends and welcome to another video of Just Being Earnest. In today's video, I'm going to do a comparison between Tiger Broker and Moomoo Broker. The rationale for doing this comparison between these two brokers is due to the fact that they were only launched for about a year and is considered quite new compared to other brokerage firms in Singapore, and they have also been quite aggressive in their marketing to acquire new customers. Hence, through this video, I hope it will give you a better understanding of these two brokerage and what it has to offer. Before I start, hope you can give a like for this video and also subscribe to my channel. And let's begin. We'll be doing three comparisons between the two brokerage. Firstly is the profile of the company. Second is the products and exchanges. And third is the fees. Let us first look at the profile of Tiger. So the parent company is called UP Fintech Holding and it was listed on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange in 2019. For this company itself, it's backed by Interactive Brokers, Jim Rogers and Xiaomi, and it's also regulated by MAS, and their office is at 50 Raffles Place. Next up, we have Futu Holdings, where the trading platform is called Moomoo in Singapore. So for Futu Holdings, it was established in 2011 in Hong Kong. And for Futu itself, it's backed by Tencent, which is a company that's listed on the Nasdaq. And as for Futu, it's also regulated by MAS, and their office is at 160 Robinson Road. Let us move on to the products and the exchanges. So for Tiger Brokers, there's 5 markets that you can trade in, which is the US market, Hong Kong market, Singapore market, Australia market, and the China market. And in terms of the products, for the US market, you can trade stocks, ETF, stock options, futures, and OTC. For the Hong Kong market, the products that you can trade are stocks, warrants, stock options, CBBC, and futures. For the Singapore market, you can trade stocks, ETF, rights issues, futures, REITs, and DLCs. And for Australia market, you only can trade stocks. And for China market, you can only trade A shares. For Futu, there are fewer products and exchanges available for you to trade in. In the Singapore market, you are allowed to trade the Singapore stocks, ETF, and REITs. For the US market, you are allowed to trade the stocks and ETF, stock option, ADR, and futures. And for the Hong Kong market, you're able to trade the stocks, REITs, and ETF. So comparison-wise, for Futu and Tiger, Tiger has more products and also more exchanges for you to trade in. And moving on to the fees, this is a comparison table that I did between Tiger and Moomoo, and it's only for the products where it is available in both brokerage. So based on the fees for the US, SG, and Hong Kong market comparison that I've done, we can see that for Tiger, it's definitely cheaper for the SG market and for the Hong Kong market. For the US market, for trading of stocks, the fees are about the same between both Tiger and Moomoo. For SG market, Tiger, I believe he has actually removed the minimum amount. So right now, they are trading it for 0.08%. based on the trading value, whereas for Moomoo is still going at a minimum of $2.49 per trade. And then for the Hong Kong market, for stocks, they are doing a trade commission fees and platform fees of minimum 17.5 Hong Kong dollars, whereas for Moomoo is a minimum of 18 Hong Kong dollars. So overall, you can see that Tiger is actually providing a much cheaper commission fees and platform fees compared to Moomoo. So based on the comparison that's been done, right now Tiger seems to be the one in the lead compared to Moomoo.
Oh, that is good. Hey, guess what?
Due to the fact that he is able to offer cheaper fees and is also able to provide more products and also more exchanges for people to trade. But as we always know, it's still early in the market, and who knows, Moomoo may also be introducing these products and also introduce more markets for people to trade. So hopefully through this video, you have been able to understand what the difference between Moomoo and Tiger and what are the fees involved. And currently, they are also offering some sign-up bonus. So if you are interested to sign up for either of the brokerage, you can check out the link in the description below. So hopefully through this video, you have learned something new, and also do remember to give a like and subscribe to my channel. And as always, do learn to make smarter financial decisions every day. Have a great day ahead, and bye-bye.